All right, in this video, we're going to show you the new content page in Analytics in YouTube Studio. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Analytics, and you'll notice up here there's only five pages, if you count research. On the app on the phone, there's only four. So what they've done is they've consolidated a whole bunch of stuff in content. So let's go ahead and click on content. And you're going to notice when we get to this page that there's four additional pages on here. And we'll go to all first. And this shows how many views you have, how many views of your shorts, and how many views of your regular videos. I call these landscape and these portraits. Shorts is the new thing that they're doing. They're kind of competing with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So let's look at a chart of everything here. This shows you your daily views. And you can look, here's one day where my shorts exceeded my regular videos. Down here, it's going to give you your totals. It's going to give you your duration of watch time, your average percentage viewed, and the hours of watching of your videos. Like here's 16,000 hours. And I've got nothing in the unspecified. To get out of it, you go over here and just click that. All right, so you can see over here, it's got 3.5 million impressions. It says views from impressions and time watched from impressions. Over here, it gives you information on how viewers find you. And here we got YouTube search, you got external, which is basically Google search. Let's go ahead and click more. So this gives you a little bit better idea of where people are finding your videos. And as you can see, mine's mostly from search. Suggested videos, pretty good. Browser features, and it goes all the way down. You can look at all of these. Over here, it shows you on a day-to-day basis of where a lot of people are finding your videos, and you can just look through that. It gives you an idea, where people are locating your videos and your content. And now if we go to videos, this is going to tell me how many views I've got on my landscapes, how many impressions, and this is our impression click-through rate, which is important because that kind of tells you what kind of return you're getting on your viewage. And over here is your duration time. And this again is a chart of the day-to-day movement. Down here it tells you how many videos you posted on that day. And then if you move down here, you're going to see key moments of audience retention. And basically what this is it's telling you how many people were still watching the video after 30 seconds, 83%, 83%, 80, 70, and so forth. And then it shows your worst ones down here, 50, 40, 41, 38. That's how, so this one here, 35% of the people were still watching the video after 30 seconds of viewing time. Over here, you've got your intro, viewers still watching after 30. That was what we were just looking at. Top moments, that's your viewers watching for longer than usual. Nice work. If we click there, it's going to give us our top moments. Over here, we can see which videos we got the most viewage on. If we go to spikes, that spikes appear when more viewers are watching, rewatching, or sharing moments of your video. So if we click there, you can see the different videos that's happening in, right? So over here, we can see dips. And dips means viewers are abandoning or skipping certain parts of your video. So that kind of tells you there, and it gives you little charts at the bottom too. All right, now let's go ahead and let's go back to intro. Let's drop down here. It says how viewers find your videos. We kind of went over that already, but you can see more by clicking here, and it brings you back kind of like to the same page. And here you have the day-to-day, kind of shows you exactly what viewers are finding your videos, like YouTube search. We know that. External, and then you can just look at that. You can figure that out because we already kind of went over it. And then it's got your top videos. You can look here, and this shows you all your #1 views here. But what's important is your impressions. Look over here. So you can see that this got less views than this one, but it got more impressions. And that's what you want. You want those impressions to be high. Here's one with 29,000, but only 3,000 views with 29,000 impressions. So those are the kind of numbers that kind of tell you what things are working and what aren't. Okay, so let's go back here. All right, now let's go to shorts. Now shorts, so you don't get monetized, but it does give you, how many views you got right here. It tells you your channel views. Over here, it shows you your likes. And it also, when you roll over, it's also telling you, how many this in this period, uh, what percentage is less than the last period. As you can see, I'm a little bit lower here, but I haven't been putting as many shorts on. And it also tells you how many subscribers that you've got. And it doesn't show you really any money, because there's really no, I mean, they're giving bonuses for shorts. They're not really paying you. And down here, you can see where they're finding your shorts. And pretty much they're coming from the shorts feed. So they're really promoting this right now. If you want to see your top shorts, you can go here. And then you can take a look at what videos have the highest number of views. So here you can check it out, look. And it starts here and works its way down. Over here is your impressions. And some of them have more impressions. Here's one, look at this. This has got a lot of impressions, right? Compared to this one. And you can just kind of slide through that and get an idea of what's working and what's not. And that's pretty much it. If you go to post, I just post my videos. And like here's my videos. I'll click on it. It shows all the videos that I post. If I click here, it gives me a bigger view of them. And you can see I don't get a lot of hits off that. But that may grow. We'll see what happens. We'll continue to do it no matter what, because that's what we want to make money, right? All right, so that is the new content section in your channel analytics. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff and things with YouTube and stuff of that nature. Peace out.